guys, and welcome to another rocking kitchen. It's me, Paul Diaz. Happy to see you guys again. Guys, today what we're having, guys, is arroz con pollo, rice with chicken, a Puerto Rican recipe of my own. So this is what the recipe consists all about. These are the ingredients that we are going to use. We are going to use, guys, 2 cups of rice, 2 tablespoons of minced green onions, 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, half tablespoon of chicken base, 8 ounces of deboned and diced chicken, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 1 tablespoon of annatto powder, 5 cloves of garlic, 1/4 small onion, half red pepper. Yeah, guys, so these are the ingredients that we are going to be using. And besides that, we're going to be using a karachi, a Pakistani cauldron, to cook the rice and chicken. So guys, let's get started. Alright guys, so we have all the ingredients that we need. So what am I going to do now? I'm going to start now dividing the half red pepper. I discard the seeds. Now discard the seeds first. Now I'm warming up already the karachi. We're having all this ready. All right. I'm gonna use the clever because I think I'm a little faster with the clever. There you go. Okay, now the onion. Right. Okay, so now we have sofrito, guys, because here in Canada, in Puerto Rico, we got something that we call it sofrito. So if we have sofrito, we don't have to do this because sofrito already comes in a jar. All you gotta do is put a few tablespoons and you're good to go. But here you have to make your own. So I got already warming up the cauldron, and I'm gonna start adding the ingredients now. So now we're gonna start adding the oil. All right, we're gonna start adding now the peppers, the garlic, and the onion. All right, now we're gonna saute them for a little while. We saute them for at least 2 minutes. Alright, after we caramelize the onion for at least 2 minutes, now we're gonna add the chicken now. And now we're gonna keep cooking the chicken also for another few minutes, along with the garlic and the peppers and the onions. Yeah, let them cook. Let them cook for a few minutes until it's golden browns a little. And after that, we're gonna add the rice and the rest of the ingredients along with the water. All right, guys, now we're gonna add the rice, the 2 cups of rice. We're gonna stir all that together. We're gonna stir all that together and cover all the rice along with the chicken. Now we're gonna add the rest of the ingredients, the salt and the pepper, the chicken base. All right, the annatto powder. All right, we're gonna add now the sauce, tomato paste, and now we're gonna add the water. Oh, sorry guys. So the amount of water that we're gonna put, guys, gotta be like one inch of water above the rice level. What we're trying to do, no? Like this, around 1 inch of water. Yeah, 1 inch of water above the rice. Now we're gonna let it cook for a while. We're gonna add now the green onions. We're gonna let it cook for a while. Guys, the arroz con pollo rice with chicken is ready. We're gonna turn this off and we're gonna taste it now. Look at this, guy. Look at how it looks. Look at that. All those spices all combined without rice. Wow. I'm gonna take some of that. All right. You know now what I think. Let's try the rice with chicken. Wow. Fly me to the moon. Guys, this is off the hook. Off the hook. And you know why it tastes so good? Because we did it together. Yeah, baby. We did it together. Guys, thank you for joining me for this recipe. So I got more recipes coming up very soon, guys. And this rice is very good. It's creamy. The rice seasoned, tender. The rice is awesome. Very I really advise you to try to make this recipe because the holidays are just around the corner and you're going to enjoy trying the rice with chicken. Along with other recipes that I got, I'm going to post these videos very soon. So take care of yourself. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the notification bell. And every time I upload a video, you'll be notified. You'll be a happy camper. Yeah. I'll see you guys soon again for another rocking kitchen with Paul Diaz. Take care of yourself, eh? I love you all. Bye.